Hello classmates, I'm going to teach you how to drive a stick shift. This is going to be my presentation for my process analysis project. I want you to get familiar with the pedals, the gears, and stuff like that. Here are the gears, there are the pedals. I want to now give you a point of view from the driver's seat of how it will be to run the stick shift. Right here is the RPMs, which stands for revolution per minute. You can see that the more gas you put, the more the RPMs will go up. I'm now going to give you a point of view of the clutches. Right there, where my left foot is all the way, is the left clutch. Let's see that video. Right there, that would be the clutch pedal. Then what my right foot is on right now is the brake. And then all the way to the right is the gas. You want to get familiar with that when you're shifting gears. When I'm shifting gears, you want to have the clutch pedal all the way in and right foot on the brake like I have right now. I want you to get familiar with the way the gears are going to put. Right now, it's in reverse because I pushed it all the way to the left and all the way to the front. That's reverse what it would look like. It's sort of familiar with the first gear, like that, but you want to make sure it locks in like that. That'll be second gear, all the way to the left and to the down. It'll be third right gear right now, all the way to the right, down for fourth gear, all the way to the right, top for fifth gear. When you're driving a car, when it concerns driving a stick shift for any reason, you make sure you want to use protection. Seat belts is what is key. Click it or tick it, guys. Let's start driving. My left foot is all the way on the clutch pedal, and my right foot is all the way on the brake. Reverse, all the way to the left and top. I'm letting go of the brake, easing off the clutch. You can see the RPMs are going up, and it's slowly rolling back. Don't want to make sure I hit that car. All right, I'm going to teach you how to do first gear. First gear will be pretty important because it will stop you from stalling or turning off the car. First gear, all the way to the left and front. Not all the way to the left. Now we're going to start driving. When I start driving, I'm going to have to put it in first gear. That's first gear. And now, when I want to start driving, I'm going to put my clutch off, easily put my foot off the clutch, and put more gas in. See how the RPMs are going up? I am now going to switch to second gear. I switched that second gear because third RPM is usually the main way to switch. I am now about to go to a stop sign. Going to a stop sign will teach you how to go to first gear and how to brake. Now I'm on brake. My gears are in neutral. My gears are in neutral because that's how it'll have to be when I first go to first gear again. Now easing off the clutch, putting more gas, and I'm starting to drive. You can hear the engine. The better you hear the engine, the better you'll know when it's shift gears. I'm about to go to third gear, which is in the middle, when I go to the third RPM. Third gear, that's simple. I would like to show you how to go to fourth gear and fifth gear, but concerning the road conditions, I don't want to be hazardous to anyone else. When it concerns parking, you want to have the emergency brake all the way up. But usually, since it's really cold, I usually put it down and just have it in first gear. If I just have it in first gear, it'll put traction on the tires for it to stop. The car's off, the car isn't rolling. The car was rolling on neutral, like it is now. You can see the car is starting to roll. Again, when the car's off, it's in first gear, doesn't roll. That's the best way to park.